Welcome to Data Programming with F#. My name is Richard Broida and I'll be your instructor. Here's a little information about me. I am a software engineer and architect in Northeast Ohio, and I'm passionate about functional programming. I deliver business automation and integration solutions for customers using robust, scalable technologies. Below is my LinkedIn profile address if you want to get in touch with me. This course is the second volume in a series on F# programming. Here's a look at what this course will cover. The first section of the course is on parsing and processing data. We'll learn how to build efficient, extensible engines to parse and process documents and data streams. In the second section, on asynchronous and reactive programming, we'll look at techniques to process large sets of data with asynchronous workflows, agents, and .NET reactive extensions. The final section is on F# type providers, entitled Data as Code. We'll see how to use type providers, which is a unique F# feature, to program with data as if it were code. The target audience for this course is programmers and developers who are confident with the basic grammar and syntax of F# and are now looking to sharpen their F# programming skills. This course also caters to intermediate C# developers who want to gain a deeper understanding of F#. The course will use F# version 4.1 with Visual Studio 2017. These are the latest current versions at the time of this recording. The principles and code that we'll show you should work if you have earlier versions of F# and the tools, and/or if you work with Visual Studio Code. There may be a few exceptions to that, which I'll point out during the coming videos.